we've had these families.
One of the big initiatives that we run here is called Combo. This is a cohort that we started in the spring of 2020 to understand the effects of the pandemic, and in particular this completely new virus that nobody knew how, what effects it would have on anything really in the spring of 2020. But in particular, we were worried that it might have an effect on babies that weren't yet born.
What numbers are on the box? 6. 6. What about that one?
We don't fall into any of the sort of categories of funding that we think have any kind of partisan framework. We really think that moms and babies and the health of moms and babies is, broadly speaking, a very bipartisan issue. So in addition to being worried about the cancellation of current grant, we're also just really worried about our ability to receive more funding to study this cohort in other aspects.
Good job. And this one?
Orange.
Orange. You're so smart.
I was initially concerned from, I had had COVID twice. How could this have affected him? Will it affect him? Will he develop okay? Will he have neurological issues? Like all these concerns loom, in your subconscious. Well, I think why is he not walking was the most important one. He walked when he was 11 months, and I was worried. Everyone else was walking in daycare, and I was really concerned. Could some of my infections have been a cause of this? Should I have been more careful with myself? There's a sense of blame as a mother. You're always, what did I do wrong? What could I have done differently?
Where's the mouse? There it is. You found it. High five. You did it.
And I have a very happy, healthy child, and I'm just so grateful to have had all of this medical staff available, the tip of my fingers, to just answer all the questions and concerns that I had. We need to know this data. We had a pandemic recently, and how can we know the impact that it's had on children and on pregnant mothers? This is our opportunity. If we cut the funding now, we won't have another opportunity basically to study this and to collect this data.
What's he doing?